How to delete a blank page in an Word document. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can delete a blank document on a Word document. So the first thing you're going to have to do is locate the blank page right here. There are multiple options that you can do. So the first one is you can just go ahead and put the cursor on the next page and keep pressing backspace, and it will automatically delete the page. The next step you can try to do is just go to the start of the page, and here move your cursor to the start. Once you have your cursor here, go to the View tab and then go to Navigation pane. Make sure you view the navigation pane, go to Pages, and you'll see your page right here. Now you have to press Ctrl+G on your keyboard and you'll find this option right here. All you have to do now is type in backslash page and then click on go to or hit enter. Then you'll go to this page. Now close this out. All you have to do is press the delete button on your keyboard and now the page will be gone. So these are some of the ways that you can delete blank page on your Word document. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.